Okay, the Bedford CF drag racing boogie van. We're back on it. Now, I'm a bit worried that it's starting to get a little bit rusty. I mean, it's been sat on my driveway for a couple of years. So what I've done, I've basically got some of that cure rust and smeared it over all the exposed bits of metal in a hope to try and slow down any corrosion. So I knew to repair and basically paint the roof, I had to take all the accessories off the front. And to do that, I had to take the front headlining out. And when I did that, I noticed there was an awful lot of surface rust on the inside of the roof. And I was starting to panic, think, oh no. So I might as well take the roof lining out all the way to the back. And to do that, I have to rip out the interior. Weekly post, March 1988. Mexican carpet, underlay. What's that? Oh, I see the tassels are attached to this panel. Not, oh, it's both. Both, I see. That's good to know. So the headlining has this U-channel which holds it onto the van itself, I think. I think that's like the gutter type thing. And the tassels are attached to that. Nice! There's some work gone into it, I'll tell you that. Amstrad speakers, look. Oh, that's brilliant. So what is this? Now I saw a van life YouTube video where they had this and it was a pee funnel. So the idea was in the middle of the night when you didn't want to get out of your camper and have a wee, you just peed in the tube and it went down either onto the floor outside or into a bucket. Right, do you reckon that's a pee funnel? It'd be handy to have one of them for when you're driving, wouldn't it? It's easy when you know how. Right, I need to put that in a very safe place where it's not going to get damaged. Well, I'm starting to get excited really excited about the van now. I'm not saying that I'm going to change the focus of the van, but now it's completely empty. It is like a blank canvas. And I'm starting to visualize different sort of options. And that's exciting. Right, that's enough for this week. Ta-ta for now.